so for comparison's sake, there's my size 10 women's shoes on my feet. And Zoe is working very hard to try and get the shoelaces off, or get the shoe off, or she'd really like to get her harness off too. But we can't do that because she's got to get used to it. Got to get used to it. And this is sort of what the afternoon crazies look like. And she'll be wearing herself out and ready for a nap in about, 15-20 minutes. So. Oh, there she goes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Zoe. Zoe. Who's a smart girl? Who's a smart girl? Oh, that's you.